Welcome to the Vention MachineBuilder. Let's take a quick tour. On the left, you have the Parts Selector menu with all the hardware that Vention offers, grouped into categories like Structural, Motion, Control, and Hardware. Click any part to select it. When selected, it will appear in the top of the Parts menu. There are details there like price and also the 2 and 3D files. Once you've clicked a part, it will follow your mouse into the design space. When adding any part to the design space, you will see the insertion options, which you can move through using the left and right keyboard arrows on your keyboard. The option you have selected displays above the bottom menu. When connecting parts, simply move the part towards an existing assembly and it will snap to the surface. Again, you can move through the options using your left-right keyboard arrows, and when you're happy with the connection, simply click or hit enter on your keyboard. Once you have placed parts, you can move them by selecting and using the sliders to move along any connected axis, or by right-clicking to detach or move a part or group of parts. Compatible parts for any selected part are available in the Part Selector menu, and to quickly reinsert the currently selected part, simply click the letter I on your keyboard. As you design, you will see the live price, weight, and assembly time in the top right corner. In the top left, the title, ID number, and current version of your design are available. Down in the bottom left corner, you have the 3D cube to help keep you situated. You can click on any face to jump directly to that view. Along the bottom of the screen are your icons for different functions like Open, to open versions of the design you're in or other designs. Save, for saving a specific version of your design. Properties, where you can change the title, add tags, change privacy, and invite collaborators. Tree View, which shows you a list of parts and allows you to select directly from this menu. BOM, which will open your bill of materials in a new tab. Import and export for step files. Exploded View, our measuring tool, the ability to take a thumbnail so you can find your design later. Settings, which has things like display, where you can show price and dimensions, or behavior, where you can change the snap to increments. And help, where you can get access to our shortcuts and other videos. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the chat icon. Please feel free to reach out to our support and design team at any time. You can exit and get back to your My Assemblies page by clicking your photo in the top right corner. When you're done with your design, simply hit the checkout button and move to the cart. Happy designing!